Institute of Space Technology Undergraduate Admissions, a step-by-step guide by Department of Student Affairs. Let's have a look at the institute first. Institute of Space Technology is a federally chartered institution of Pakistan which is offering undergraduate, graduate and postgraduate programs in domains of space science, engineering and technology. IST is located in the capital territory of Pakistan, Islamabad. It is away from the noise and pollution of the city. IST since its inception in 2002 has bagged many laurels to its name, some of which are enlisted in the video. IST is the major stakeholder in the Washington Accord, due to which Pakistan's engineering graduates are treated as equivalent in 26 different signatory countries including USA, Australia, New Zealand and other signatories. You can reach the institute via various social media platforms as shown in the video. Now let's talk about the programs which are offered at IST. IST offers 5 engineering and 5 non-engineering programs at undergrad level. The details of each of them will be in the upcoming part of the video. You can reach IST virtually at the easiest way. You can do so by opening your go-to internet browser on your computer and type Institute of Space Technology Islamabad. Click on the first link you see. You will be landed at the website homepage where you would find the menu bar including various options. Followed by there is an alert section which is showing you the current openings. For example, the undergrad, grad admissions are available. Then are the resources for the COVID-19. Then there are different aspects of life at IST, events that are currently happening, news at IST and the social media accounts. Let's talk about the different programs offered by IST one by one. Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics offer 2 engineering programs including BS Aerospace Engineering and BS Avionics Engineering. The further details of these programs are available on the website in the respective department page. Bachelor's of Aerospace Engineering mainly deals with the physical, conceptual design and development of aircrafts and space systems. The degree has a diverse curriculum including all the major domains of aerospace engineering and offers specialization in aerodynamics, propulsion, aerostructures, flight control and space control. Whereas the Bachelor of Avionics Engineering deals with the design and development of electronic components which are used in aircraft and spacecraft. Next is the Department of Electrical Engineering, which offers 1 engineering and 1 non-engineering program. AS. The electrical engineering is the mainstream field of engineering which deals with the various domains of electronics, powers and electrical systems. IST offers electrical engineering in a diverse form. Bachelor's of Computer Science is a new program that is started at IST for fall 2020 and is focused on the recent advancements in the domain of computer science. The next department is Mechanical Engineering Department, which offers Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering, which is the most widely known engineering field across the globe. It generally deals with the design, development and analysis of various machines in the mechanical aspect. The next department is Department of Material Science and Engineering, which offers Bachelor's of Material Science and Engineering, which deals with the design, fabrication, testing, analysis and enhancement of various material properties which are used in engineering domains. The next department is Department of Space Science, which offers 2 non-engineering programs as BS Physics and BS Space Science. The program of BS Physics is the generic Bachelor of Physics program with targeted focus on quantum and plasma physics, whereas the BS Space Science is a specially designed program for the different aspects of physical sciences in the space. This includes various dimensions including astronomy, radio telescopy, astrophysics and space environment. The Department of Applied Mathematics and Statistics offer degree of Bachelor of Mathematics, which is primarily focused on fundamental mathematics, computational mathematics and cryptography. BS Remote Sensing and Geoinformatics is offered at the National Center of Remote Sensing and GIS located in Karachi. The degree focuses on geospatial technologies. I would urge all of you to have a look at the various programs offered, the course outline, course objectives before selecting your desired degree and making decisions regarding preferences which I'll be explaining in a later stage. Now, let's have a look at the admission 2020. First is the eligibility criteria for various programs. For each program, the eligibility criteria is different, which is as mentioned in the video. Fulfilling the criteria only makes you eligible to apply in the program and does not guarantee the admissions. The provision of admission is on the basis of merit, which is dependent on the number of seats and applicants. For fall 2020 admissions, there is no requirement of entry test for both IE engineering and non-engineering programs. However, if required, the decision regarding entry test for engineering programs will be shared if required later. The number of seats in various programs are as shown in the video. Okay. Now the merit. The merit is determined on the basis of your matriculation or equivalent marks and FSC Part 1 marks, which is as per the following weightage. 40% of the weightage is given to your matriculation or equivalent marks, whereas 60% is given to the FSC Part 1 marks. This criteria is for year 2020 only in view of COVID-19, and if revised will be shared beforehand. Now the financials. The fee structure of IST is as shown in the video. It is also available on the website under admissions fee structure. IST also offers a number of opportunities for the scholarships on merit as well as need basis. They can be viewed on the admissions, financial aid and scholarships page. You can find further frequently asked questions on the website. Now the schedule. As you know that the admissions are already open, the classes are tentatively to be commenced in September 2020. This year, like the previous year, the admission is via the online admission system. And let's have a look at the OAS. Here are the first steps, different steps which you have to do while applying to IST via the online system. This is a checklist which you have in your mind before starting to apply for IST. So how to get to OAS? You can get to OAS for undergrad admissions via the website or simply typing ugadadmission.ist.edu.pk in the address bar of your browser. So once you are on the home page of OAS, you will find two sections for new applicants and registered applicants. Now you can either apply for engineering or non-engineering programs. I will show you both the forms one by one. First, the engineering programs. You will fill out the information as required and hit the submit button. You will be immediately redirected to the home page of the application. You will also receive an email regarding the registration, including your information to avail the registered applicants option. It should include your email ID and the application ID, which two are important when you want to access your application later. Now for the non-engineering programs, same procedure is followed. The form is almost similar. Okay. Now you can log in the registered applicants option as well. On the admission application page, you will find the documents attachment option. You will upload the 3 documents one by one required as showing the procedure in the video. After the successful upload of the files, the next step is preference definition. Okay. For the selection of preferences, be very mindful that this selection is going to affect your admissions. Only include all those options in which you are willing to study. After the selection of the preferences, you have to enter the personal details in the space provided. Next step, you will add the academic details. This information is required to determine your merit, so enter the information respectfully and carefully. After the addition of necessary information in the fields, the next step is to generate the fee challan. The fee for application processing is 2500 PKI or USD $40, which is to be submitted at any HBL branch countrywide. The scanned copy of the submitted fee is to be sent on the email address mentioned on the website. The status of the fee will be approved after submission on the next day, and after the approval of fee status, you will be considered for the admissions only. Now you have submitted the form. What are the next steps that you have to consider? After submitting the form, you should keep visiting the website and the social media pages for notification regarding the display of the merit list and other important information. It is important to note that you are required to pay your fee to be considered for merit upgradation in the next merit list. So this is where I was saying only enter those preferences where you are willing to study. Okay. Unfortunately or fortunately, you couldn't join IST. You are selected in any other place and you have paid your fee. IST has a fee refund policy. You can find the further details on the admissions website. Now let's talk about your orientation at IST. When you have done all the previous part and you are selected at IST, IST will have the first day of your classes as the orientation day. In the orientation, there would be some general introductory lectures, welcoming remarks, a visit of the campus along with keynotes by the HODs of the departments. On the orientation day, there also will be document submission and registration. On that day, you have to bring original certificates and mark sheets of metric and FSC along with the equivalent documents if any. There would be some forms which are to be submitted on that day. Now, for giving you a brief overview of IST campus, I am showing you a Google Earth overview of IST campus. Okay, at the end, I would like to discuss the life of a student at IST. Along with the curricular and academic training, IST provides a number of extracurricular and co-curricular opportunities as well. IST has a number of societies for different domains of life, including music, art, drama, debates, months, along with different technical societies which are actually the chapters of various national and international societies at IST. These societies also provide a research and academic development opportunity to the students. In addition, internships and placements of students for various opportunities across the industry is also an important component of the life of a student at IST. IST has a number of annual events for space technology education and popularization, space awareness creation, including World Space Week celebrations, Space Summer School, IST Youth Carnival, and various other local platforms. In order to provide the students of IST with an international research opportunity and to give them an exposure of international conference, IST organizes International Conference on Aerospace Science and Engineering biennially. Serving back to community is a strong feat of IST as well. And IST will come up with numerous opportunities to boost your philanthropic side via Umeed, IST Blood Donation, and various other societies. During your stay at IST, you will find numerous opportunities to make your and others' life better. I would recommend you to grab all of these opportunities. I wish you best of luck for your admission and subsequently stay at IST. Goodbye.